Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Yes, is happening. I said yes, is happening. Apple is waking up. What a surprise, Apple Foldable is here. While brands like Samsung continue to refine foldable phones, now reaching their 6th generation, Apple remains in the research phase. Reports suggest that Apple's first foldable iPhone could arrive as early as 2026, but details remain scarce. Most information circulating is based on speculation, making any concrete insights valuable. Recently, prominent industry insider Digital Chat Station revealed new details about Apple's foldable iPhone. According to the report, Apple is working on a horizontally folding device featuring a 5.49-inch outer cover display and a 7.74-inch inner foldable screen. This design suggests a more compact form factor compared to many Android foldables, which typically boast larger displays. Apple's approach to foldable technology remains a mystery. Whether the company is aiming for groundbreaking innovations or refining existing foldable designs is yet to be seen. Given Apple's reputation for premium pricing, it is expected that the foldable iPhone will be significantly more expensive than its Android counterparts. However, with Apple taking longer than expected, consumers may hope for a nearly flawless foldable experience when it finally launches. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.